Our lesson for today is about asking for permission. Before we dive deep into the lesson, let's talk about permission a little bit. As you may already know, permission comes from the word permit. To be honest, I don't really know which came first. To permit someone or to give someone permission is to give someone's consent, meaning it is okay for that certain thing to be done. An obvious example is when you ask your parents' permission when you want to go out with your friends. Another reason why we ask someone for their permission is because we want to know if it is okay for them if we do what we are thinking of doing in that moment or in the future. Now, how do you go about asking permissions? There are 3 ways you can do that, and each has a level of politeness attached to it. We don't want to go around asking people's permissions impolitely. These are the 3 phrases you want to use when asking for permission. Can I? Could I? And may I? Again, can I? Could I? And may I? If notice, the way I read these 3 is I cannot read each as one word. So instead of reading it can I said can I, could I, and may I. It's called blending. It's a great technique if you want to sound like a native American speaker. Moving on, I have here some sentence fragments that we can use to practice our can I, could I, and may I. Ako sa basahon, help you, stay here, call you later, have some donuts, borrow some cash, come with you, speak to the manager, go to the bathroom, or the Americans would use toilet. As what I've said, each of these 3 has a level of politeness except the first one, can I. So when you use can I, you're just asking permissions. You're not being polite. So what we're going to do now is we're gonna use each before these sentence fragments so that we can also practice our English. Let's start with can I? Can I help you? Can I stay here? Can I call you later? Can I have some donuts? Can I borrow some cash? Can I come with you? Can I speak to the manager? So this time you are being angry. It's like you are a very unsatisfied customer. You want to speak to the manager directly, so you're angry. Can I go to the toilet? Or can I go to the CR? And then we use could I. Now, could I is a little bit polite, and you can use this like pretty much in every situation. You're not gonna get in trouble using this one, so it's pretty safe if you want to use this all the time. Could I help you? Could I stay here? Could I call you later? Could I have some donuts? Could I borrow some cash? Could I come with you? Could I speak to the manager? Now here, you're a little bit polite. You're still unsatisfied, but a little bit polite. And could I go to the bathroom? Lastly, there is may I. So this is very polite, like 100% super polite. May I help you? May I stay here? May I call you later? May I have some donuts? May I borrow some cash? May I come with you? May I speak to the manager? Every angry and unsatisfied customer should remember this way of asking for permission. I think the world would be a little bit better. And may I go to the bathroom? Or may I go to the toilet? May I go to the CR? So in this video, we learned 3 ways you can ask for permission depending on the situation or how polite the situation needs to be. Well, I hope nakatabang ko. See you in the next video. Keep safe. Og daghang salamat.